Jamie, thank you. Of course, all kinds of festivities going on now there just ahead of Super Bowl. All right, Coeur d'Alene looking live. 7:49 this morning. Beautiful start. We do have quite a few clouds out there, but we've also seen a few spots where that sun is trying to make its way through here this morning. Now 7:50. Let's talk about that forecast, what we are seeing and what we aren't seeing, because right about now we're looking at a pretty quiet picture here on satellite radar, but we have had a couple pockets of brief but intense snow. And right now you can see a lot of this has been breaking apart, tapering off. We're really looking just north of Pinehurst and north of the Wallace area, but generally a little bit quieter out there east of Elk River as it pushes in towards western Montana. This cell as well kind of winding down. It's kind of lost its gusto there, but I think generally speaking we're not going to rule out that opportunity for some snow at least through the next couple of hours in the central panhandle. In fact, this is what it looks like out at Lookout Pass this morning. You can see some pretty slick conditions out on I-90. Lookout Pass being right there on the border, Idaho and Montana. They still could see some isolated pockets of these brief but locally intense snow showers. So that's why this winter advisory did pop up for us, and now noticing that it's probably going to be in effect until about 4 p.m. today. That's today. Let's talk about what's coming though, and really we're watching this ridge of high pressure still kind of remain in place, keeping generally dry conditions for us here in eastern Washington. But this next system is going to be impacting us big time as we head in towards midweek. Wednesday and Thursday, looking at another opportunity for some scattered snow showers, but I think we could see some moderate snow as a result of this. And as that pushes in, I'm thinking the first to be impacted will be the Cascades, and then progressively moving eastward. So let's break it down. Here's the what, when, and snow in terms of how much we could see. Moderate snow likely here, maybe a bit of a rain snow mix in areas to the south starting tomorrow morning, first in the Cascades. Then it progressively moves eastward in towards the Panhandle as the day goes on. The timing though is going to be critical, because if this happens a little bit later in the day and it continues in through Thursday afternoon, that's when temperatures are expected to bump up, and it would probably mean lower snow amounts with warmer temperatures. In fact, some of this could likely turn to more of a rain mix. But for today, looking at dry conditions, and here's how it plays out on Future Tracker, and this helps us kind of look ahead at forecast models. There's 315. Already starting to move in over the Cascades tomorrow by that point. Still not quite here in towards Spokane. By 7:45, though, looking at another opportunity for this impacting Lincoln, Spokane, and Kootenai County. Farther to the south, a little bit heavier, and then carrying through at least through Wednesday night into early Thursday morning, impacting mainly the Panhandle. So looking ahead, an active next couple of days here midweek as the winter season is not officially done just yet. Now temperatures 28 degrees. We're going to be climbing though today, just not by a whole lot. In fact, look at highs today at about 34 degrees into the afternoon. However, we will start to see a little bit of an increase, Jen, as we head in towards Saturday. Saturday expected to be about 40 degrees. And of course with the groundhog, of course, now predicting an early spring. Now talking about a little bit more snow on the way. That's how it goes.
There you go. All right, Katie, thank you. You're watching KREM 2 Morning News on CW22.